Welcome to Medicine Mirror, where every medicine tells its story. Today is our topic on difference between affinity and efficacy. Let's start with affinity. Affinity is the ability or tendency of a drug to bind to its receptor. A simple way to remember it is affinity means attraction. If a drug has high affinity for a receptor, it has a strong tendency to bind to that receptor. But here's the important point. Binding does not necessarily mean activation. A drug can bind to a receptor and still produce no activation. Next is efficacy. Efficacy refers to the maximum effect or response that a drug can produce under the conditions of the experiment. On a dose-response curve, maximum efficacy is represented by Emax. A full agonist can produce a high maximum response. A partial agonist produces a lower maximum response, even when enough drug is present to occupy the receptors. So the easiest memory trick is efficacy equals how much effect can you get. This is where many students get confused. Affinity is about binding. Efficacy is about producing an effect. So, a drug may have high affinity for a receptor but have little or no ability to activate it. A classic example is an antagonist. An antagonist can bind to the receptor with affinity, but it does not activate the receptor to produce the usual response. Here's a quick pharmacology question. A drug binds to a receptor but does not activate it. What does this drug possess? Option A, efficacy only. Option B, affinity. Option C, no receptor interaction. Or option D, maximum efficacy. The correct answer is option B, affinity. Why? Affinity is the ability of a drug to bind to a receptor. But efficacy is the ability of the drug to activate the receptor and produce a response. So, a drug that binds to a receptor but does not activate it has affinity but no efficacy. Remember, affinity equals binding, efficacy equals activation. That's the key concept. Thank you for watching. If the video is informative, please like, share and subscribe to Medicine Mirror, where every medicine tells its story.